In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link to share files by creating a shareable folder. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for sharing. It's a good idea to double-check you're in the right account, especially if you use more than one, so you don't accidentally share from the wrong drive. Once you're in Google Drive, look toward the top left corner and click on the New button. From the menu that appears, choose Folder. A small box will pop up asking you to name your folder. Pick a clear, descriptive name, something that tells you and others what kind of files it will contain. Then click Create. You should now see your new folder in your drive. Next, double-click to open that folder. At this point, you can add files to it if you haven't already. You can either drag and drop files from your computer straight into the folder, or click the New button again and choose File Upload to browse for the files you want to share. Give it a moment for everything to upload, and wait until the progress indicators show that the uploads are complete. Now that your folder is ready, it's time to create the shareable link. Right-click on the folder name in Google Drive. From the menu that appears, click on Get Link. A sharing panel will open. Here you'll see the current access settings. By default, it may say Restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open it. To create a link that you can share more easily, click on the drop-down that says Restricted and change it to an option like Anyone with the link. Right below that, you can adjust what people are allowed to do. If you only want others to see and download the files, set it to Viewer. If you want them to be able to add or edit content, choose Editor. Be careful with this setting, because giving edit access means others can change or remove files. Once you've chosen the right permissions, click Copy Link. Now you can paste that link into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. When you're done, click Done to close the sharing window. That's all you need to create a Google Drive link for a shareable folder and start sharing your files quickly and safely.